Hey Crafty Crew, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please subscribe and tap that bell for more crafty videos. Okay, so today I am doing a review for Pipsticks, and I am so excited to open this. Pipsticks is a sticker club. It's a monthly subscription. There's the Kids Club and the Pro Club. The Kids is for kids and the Pro Club is for adults. And they have two separate ones. They have the Kids Club Petite with 7 sheets of stickers, and then the Kids Club Classic with 15 sheets, which is the same for the Pro Club, the smaller one for 7 and the bigger one for 15. And I got the Kids Club. I think I got the Kids Club Petite. Yeah, I think that's the one I got. I think I got the Petite one. And the Petite is $11.95 a month, and the Classic is the $17.95 a month, which is the same for the Kids and the Pro Club. So let's go ahead and get started. I've never used Pipsticks before. This is my first time, and I have not opened it yet, obviously. This is what came in the mail. It had this cute little picture, and it just says fun things inside. So I'm going to open it up. Okay, let's see what's inside. If I can pull it out. It's ripping it. Okay. Let's see what we have here. We have okay, this is some sort of like a postcard that looks like you could color in and send to a friend to get 50% off of their first month of subscription. So you can mail that to a friend who may want to subscribe. So it's got in this little plastic bag. It's all sparkly. It's got little stars on it. Oh goodness. I don't know what this is, but it's cute. What is this? Is that a sticker? Oh my goodness. This is like a huge sticker. Look at this. It's like a big, thick foam sticker. It's like the cutest little rainbow ever. Oh my gosh. The reason I got the kids pack was for my son, because I don't really use a lot of stickers myself. But I do stickers with him a lot. And this is so cute. I might have to keep this for myself. Okay, and then we got a little pack of little froggies. 9 little sparkly froggies. Let's see. What is this? A ticket. A ticket in here. I'm not sure. I don't know. I'll have to look into the ticket thing. I'm not sure if that's for anything or if it's just, you know, for the kids. Maybe they like tickets. We got these. They say sweet. Oh, they're smelly. Oh, goodness. They have watermelons, blueberries, and bananas. They say sweet, good, and appealing. That's cute. Oh, they smell good. Oh, this is cute. These are like movie themed. What? Cola scent. These are movie themed stickers. I like the cinema and the popcorn and the drinks and all the candies. And it says cola scent. It does kind of smell. Are these smelly ones? I guess these are smelly ones too. Okay. And then, oh, a little monkeys. All these little monkeys, all different colors. Look how cute they are. Oh, and what's this? Oh, I like these. There's these little rainbow hearts. That's really cute. I don't think those are smelly ones, but those. Ooh, and then shooting stars. I love like stars and moons and stuff. It's very cute. It's just like on a little clear sticker thing. And then it has, it says Little Pippi. Your guide to Stickerland. Okay, it says keep your raffle ticket. Winning number announced next month. Each month you'll find a raffle ticket in your sticker pack. Keep it. This is your entry into the month's VIP subscriber raffle. You can find information on each month's prize on our blog. The winning ticket will be announced in the following month's sticker pack. Cool. Okay. There's a coloring contest that you can mail into Pipsticks. And there's like little pictures that they can color with little jokes. It says, what do you call a bear with no teeth? A gummy bear? Why do bees have sticky hair? Oh, because they eat honey? I don't know. And then it's got this on the back, this little maze from them to do. That's really cute. That's cool that they do the coloring contest and the raffle tickets and all that. All this little pamphlet on top of the stickers. This is really cute. And you have this little reusable pack if you want. It goes, you can shut it. It's kind of like the Ziploc type thing. Free Pipsticks. I love this. I might put this on my laptop. How cute is that? Okay. Okay, so I love my Pipsticks pack. This is my first pack, like I said. I had actually, I signed up for the first month and I canceled the second one because I wasn't sure. I wanted to get this pack first and see before I, keep getting more packs. But that is one plus about Pipsticks is you can cancel at any time. You don't have to, you're not stuck in, a year contract or anything like that. They have, multiple options. I think the 7 stickers and then the 15 stickers, and you can also shop on their website. So if you're interested in trying out Pipsticks yourself, check out my referral links below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much, Pipsticks, for helping me do this review. And I will talk to everyone soon. Bye.